guys, this is Lauren from Blushington. Today we're here to teach you about our Lucky Stars version of our holiday coral look. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're using Beauty RX moisturizer in Nourishing Cream. Very important to moisturize before you do makeup, always. Okay, so next is we're gonna moisturize the lip. It's the Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer. It's basically a moisturizer for your lips. So we're going to prime the skin, and we're using a very cool new product. One of my favorite brands is Herborian. It is a CC cream. It actually has pearlish, purplish undertone to brighten the skin. Something that I love about this product is that it gives a high definition blur. We're using Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundation, and we're in between two shades, so we're gonna do a little mix. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna use our Jouer concealer, and we're gonna prime the eyelid. I'm just using a really hydrating mattifying powder. I'm using the color Light, it's from Jouer. So back to our Becca eye palette. There are several shades to choose from, and we're just gonna brush that in the crease area, just back and forth like a windshield wiper. And we're doing that just to create some depth and some definition. The next part of this look is actually blush. A lot of people don't realize this, but blush makes a great eyeshadow, especially when you want to go for a coral look. So we're using Galactic Star Blush in Bora Bora. So we're gonna do a winged liner, but first I want to fill in her eyebrows. We're doing Stila Shimmer and Glow, and we're using Vivid Jade, which I call Sparkly Green. This is the fun part where it gets holiday-like. And don't forget, you can make your wing as long or as short as you want. I went a little wingy on her because she's got great eyes, and I thought it would be fun to do. So next I'm gonna do just a shimmery brown eyeliner on the bottom. We're using Stila Lionfish eyeliner. It's a soft brown and it has a little gold flecks. And I'm going all the way up to that corner where we started the wing. This is great for using under the eyes. I way prefer it to using concealer. One of my secret magic trick products. It is Stila, and it's a color correct palette. So I'm going to warm up her complexion. I'm using Kevyn Aucoin, the Neo Bronzer, and I'm using Sunrise Light. Make sure you always go all the way back to the hairline. This is the key to making it look completely natural and seamless. We're gonna use a little Stila Magnificence highlighter. I've actually used this in place of blush before, but since we're going for a whole corally blushy look, we're gonna actually highlight the tops of her cheeks with this. So we're gonna use Ico Black Magic Mascara, and this is great because it actually helps keep and hold a curl in the lashes. And now for our final step, we're gonna create our super glossy corally lip. It's called Be Pink Lip Gloss. I love the consistency of this one too. It's like a little sticky. Then the next one we're using is PYT Beauty. It's a newer brand that we carry. I love it. It is called Full Filled Lip Gloss. It's a little bit of a lip plumper. And here we have our final look. Thank you, Connie, so much for being our beautiful model. And this is Blushington's coral version of Lucky Stars. Come and see us for the holidays.